So Lila is an astrology app. Trying to take all the years of training to understand an astrological chart and simplify it. Only thing we could come up with to do it was an app. We knew nothing about apps, but we knew we had an idea. So the first challenge was trying to communicate that to someone else. And then when we worked with the dev team in India, it just took a lot of back and forth for our ideas to turn into something even close. And even then, it was the design was really the main issue. And the back end was all right, but the front end design was bad. It was so bad. And we got to the point and we said, if we're gonna do this, we need to take a step. And so we looked in the US and we found Square 6. Being a football player, teamwork was everything. Football is the ultimate team sport. And if the lineman didn't do their job, even if the quarterback didn't do his job, I was gonna get smacked. And so it requires a lot of trust, you know? I feel like got lucky because that's what happens, you know, is that I don't have to worry so much. So it's nice to know that Square 6 has our back. We chose Square 6, but as far as the individuals working on the team, I feel like it's an all-star team. You know, there's a thing when a team starts to play together that they just start to kind of know their teammates' move and what's coming up next. And it's like a flow, you get in a flow state. And I feel like especially the rush for the paywall is like, we all got in a flow state and everything is just really it's really moving. This is our life's work. You know, we literally are putting everything into it. And so it's nice to know we're not in it by ourselves and that we have competent partners. And so to start from scratch and to be able to go through the whole process and then see the end result and people, it worked. More importantly, to see it actually helping people. You know, it's one thing when you have an idea in your mind, but when you actually build it and people are using it, it's next level.